everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Bean, and today is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription, and it does cost $21, but I think it is totally worth it. If you want to see what I got this month, just keep on watching. So the box this month looks a little bit different than it usually does. They have, I guess, changed up the little card thing. Normally we get a little postcard shaped kind of thing, and it's got usually like a theme on the front and prices on the back. But this month we have a pull-out kind of open thing, and it's got all of the items here inside. So it looks like the theme this month is eye candy. The box this month looks like this. So the first thing that I see in the box are these two brushes. It is a brush duo. Looks like these are from Glam, and I have some of their brushes. I have some of their brushes already, and I adore them. They are some of my favorite brushes. So we got two eye brushes this month. I think I've been pronouncing this wrong the whole time. This says SL Miss Glam, so I'm gonna say that's what it's called, SL Miss Glam. These are the duo brush sets, and these retail for $38.50. I really like the brushes from SL Miss Glam. I think they are super high quality. They've always got cute little rhinestones, and they're usually bright, pretty colors like this. I have another pink one, and I've got a green one as well, and I really, really do like them. I think they're very high quality. The bristles are really soft. So we got one larger blending brush. It is purple with purple bristles, and we got one shadow packing brush as well. This one is Boxycharm P15, and this one is Boxycharm Blend Beauty L34. I'm really excited about these, and I love brushes, so brushes are always a good thing, and I always like to get brushes. The next thing that I see rolling around on top is this right here. It is from the Brow Gal, and it says the Instatint Light Hair 03 Tinted Brow Gel with Fibers. This retails for $22. I love brow gels, but I've never tried this one. I am a little bit worried that it says light hair. I don't have light hair. I don't have light brows, and so I don't know, but we'll see. It looks like very light hair. I'm just trying to put a little bit of this on my hand, and I think this is gonna be way too light for me. As you can see, that's the color right there. It is quite light brown. I'm kind of sad about that because I really, really love brow gels, especially the ones with the little microfibers, because I feel like they really fill in my brows. This is my product of choice definitely for doing brows, so I'm really, I wish I would have gotten a darker color, but I'm sure that I will find somebody who can wear this. The next thing in the box is this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask, and this retails for $47. We've gotten Dr. Brandt stuff in the box before, and we got a couple exfoliators, which I really like. We got one that's got really small exfoliation, and I really love that one. I'm almost out of it actually. It retailed for like $70, so I'm just like limping it along because I don't want to have to like actually purchase it, you know? So this one is like a face mask, I think, like a mud mask kind of thing. So I'm going to squeeze out a little bit so you can see what it looks like. Oh, it's weird. It's like a gel kind of. I didn't really expect it to be like a gel. It's got little like beads in there. Do you see that? Like the blue things are little beads, and I guess as you rub it into your skin, the beads kind of mix into the product. It is really cooling. It kind of smells like sunscreen, to be honest. It says this is an award-winning pore refining mask that will unclog and tighten the look of pores, reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. So that's always good. It says after cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern. Avoid eyes. Leave on 5 to 10 minutes until dry. A cooling sensation will occur. That does occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week for maximum results. That's not bad. 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes you get masks and it's like leave on for half an hour until it dries. It's like half an hour is a really long time just to sit there with stuff all over your face. You know what I mean? Ooh, it's like doing something weird. Look at it. It's like, as it's drying, it's like drying on the outside edges where there's not as much product, and it's like turning blue. I'm gonna leave this on and kind of see what happens if I leave it on for like 5 minutes. The next thing in the box is a MAC lipstick. This is the Liptensity Lipstick. I got the shade Burnt Violet. Normally, I really don't like berry shades, so I'm nervous about this. The cap looks kind of brown though. It doesn't really look violet to me. It looks definitely brown. Maybe it won't actually be violet. Oh, this is like, look at it. It's drying to like a crusty, almost like a clay or something, and it's turning like periwinkle blue. Interesting. Okay, well, I'm gonna swatch this over here. Not brown, definitely purple. Definitely a purple. I just don't love berry lips. And I don't think I said this retails for $21. And then the last thing that is in the box this month, which I'm really excited about, is a Colourpop palette. Unfortunately, I already have this one. They had a bunch of different options, so you could get a bunch of different options in your box. I got one that I already have, so I'm gonna give this one to my sister. I've got mine right here, so I'm gonna leave this one as is unopened and show you guys the colors in mine. So the inside looks like this. This one does have a lot of kind of purpley shades as well as some brown neutrals. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the colors for you to let you see what they look like. I love Colourpop palettes. The shadows are really high quality and they are super affordable. This is only $16, you guys. You get all of these shades. So I have this here and it seems to have dried. It dries down to like a chalky almost consistency. So I've got a makeup wipe here. I'm gonna use that to wipe off these swatches, and I'm also going to wipe off the mask. It says to rinse with water, but this will work good enough, I think. Granted, it's not on my face, but I do feel like maybe this area right here where I put the mask left the back of my hand a little bit clearer than it was before. So like if you see this palm and this palm, I don't know if you can tell a difference, but it seems a little bit brighter right here where the mask was, and it definitely feels a lot softer. Now, I didn't leave this on for the full 10 minutes or anything like that, but I did let it dry, and so it'll be a little bit different on the face. It definitely does feel soft and moisturized. So swatches of this. I'm just gonna go through row by row. These are the shades in the first row of the palette. This like pinky purple iridescent shade. There is a shimmery gold shade, kind of like a maroon berry shade, and a shimmery kind of duochrome pinky orange shift. This one is a matte and the other three are shimmers. Second row of shadows, there is a light kind of peachy nude shade here, a purple shimmer, a bright pink shimmer, and kind of a dusty rose. The first one and the fourth one are mattes and the middle two are shimmers. And then finally the fourth row, there is a maroon shade, there is a brown, and it's kind of like a yellowy brown almost, a brown shade with glitters in it. I'm not sure if that is picking up, but it's like a chocolate brown and it's got some purple and gold glitter, and then there is a shimmery kind of coppery red. So these two are matte. This one is a matte with some glitter, and this one is a shimmer shade. So that is all the colors in the palette. I do really like a lot of the colors in here. I feel like there are some unique colors in here. The only thing that I don't love about this palette is that I don't really like to use it for a full eyeshadow look. I don't feel like it has much of a brow highlight shade, and there's not a whole lot of matte colors to choose from, but there are a lot of shimmers. But the quality of the shadows are still really good, and I would recommend any of the Colourpop palettes and any of their single shadows as well if you are thinking about purchasing one. I really do like them. Give me a second and let me do some math and I will be right back. Okay, so I did the math and the total retail value of the box this month comes to $144.50. So I feel like we got a pretty good deal on our products here, only paying $21. And of course, everything is full size as it always is. I think my favorite item out of the box this month are the two brushes. It'd be the palette if I didn't already own it. I'm also really interested in this mask, so that will be exciting to actually try out on my whole face. I'm so disappointed that the brow gel doesn't match my brows, and I'm not crazy about the lip color, but overall I think it is a really good box. So that completes this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up down below. Let me know what you got in your box and what your favorite product was. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!